Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on household essentials. Today, we're diving into a must-have for every laundry room, the Camco 20750 washing machine drain pan. If you're looking for the best drip pan for your washer or dryer, this might just be it. Let's get into why. The Camco 20750 is designed to protect your floors from leaks. With its durable plastic construction and a size that accommodates most standard washing machines. It measures 30 inches in length by 32 inches in width, providing ample coverage. This pan isn't just about size, it's about reliability. Made from injection molded, durable plastic, this drain pan is built to last. It's sturdy enough to handle the weight of your washing machine and any unexpected leaks. Equipped with pre-formed cut lines and including a 1-inch by 1.5-inch PVC drain fitting, installation is straightforward. You won't need to struggle with complex setups, it's designed to make your life easier. The pan features a removable 1-inch by 1.5-inch PVC drain fitting, complete with a lock nut and washer, ensuring that any water from your machine is safely diverted away from your floors. With thousands of satisfied customers and a high rating on Amazon, reliability is key. It's designed to catch leaks and protect your floors effectively. Whether you have a top-load or front-load washer, this pan can accommodate various machine types without compromise. Investing in a quality drain pan like the Camco 20750 not only protects your floors, but also gives you peace of mind knowing that potential leaks are under control. Wrapping up our review of the Camco 20750 washing machine drain pan, it's clear why this product is highly regarded. From its robust construction to its ease of installation and comprehensive protection features, it ticks all the boxes for a reliable drip pan. That concludes today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, helping you make informed decisions for your home. Thanks for watching.